Hey guys, welcome back. We're continuing with section 2.4. What we are doing here is I'm going to show you how to use a sequence of elementary matrices to rewrite or to write the matrix A in row echelon form. So basically what's happening is I'm going to start off with this guy A, 0, 1, 3, 5, 1, negative 3, 0, 2, 2, negative 6, 2, 0. We know our goal is to get the 1 in the upper right corner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reverse or interchange row 1 and 2. So if I take this and swap it with this, we're here. Okay, let me pick a different color. So we're going to be here. So what we do now is we take our identity matrix and we're going to perform the same thing. So what I did was I did 0, 1, 0, and 1, 0, 0. Notice if you swap them, you would get the identity matrix. So I'm going to call this E1 because remember elementary matrix is basically performing the identity in like one step, right? So that's that person. So now I'm going to continue. What would my next, after I switch them, what would my next part be? I'm going to multiply the top by negative 2 and then combine it to row 3. So I wrote that here. And what you do is you go back to the original 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and you perform this to get your second elementary matrix. So you're going to multiply this by negative 2 and combine it to row 3. So negative 2 times 1 plus the 0 from the identity, right? I hope everybody sees that. Sorry. So you're going to do negative 2 times this, and we're going to add it to row 3. So negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. That goes there. Negative 2 times 0, negative 2 times 0, and so that changes. So I'm going to call this E2, okay? So every single time you perform a sequence, you're going to do it to the elementary. We're going to do one more. And so far we have this person here, 1, negative 3, 0, 2, 0, 1, 3, 5, 0, 0, 2, negative 4. The next part is I'm going to want the 1 right here because I already have my zeros down here. So I'm going to divide everybody by 2 or multiply it by a half. Once you multiply all of this by a half, you get this. So all you want to do is take the identity matrix and multiply the bottom of the identity by a half. And so with that being said, now we are good with E3. And now you can continue doing all of this, but here's where we're going with this. If you do E3, E2, E1 times A, you will get B. So look, E3 was the person with the half, E2 was this one, E1 was where we interchanged it. If you multiply these three by A, you're basically going to get B, which is where we left off. So we left off here, 1, negative 3, 0, 2, 1, negative 3, 0, 2, 0, 1, 3, 5, 0, 1, 3, 5, and so on. So this is what a sequence of elementary matrices to write the matrix A in row echelon form. This is how we do that, okay? So whatever you do to A, just do it to the identity matrix and keep carrying them along. When you go to multiply these guys, don't forget it's this times this. You get a matrix. After you get that matrix, it's this times this, and then this times this. And then you would get the B. Okay, have a great day.